Good morning, class. Remember yesterday when we examined the 7 continents of the world and we used a political map? Yeah, today we're going to examine the 5 different oceans of the world and also use a political map. So first we're going to do a turn and talk to your partners about everything you already know about oceans. I'll give you 1 minute to turn and talk to your partner. Okay, go. At this time, I will set a timer for 1 minute and the students will turn and talk to their partner about everything they know about oceans. Okay, a minute is done. Okay, what did we hear from our classmates? Yes, Carly. Yes, there is an ocean called the Pacific Ocean. Did anyone else hear anything new or different about any oceans? Yes, Chris. Yes, there are 5 oceans in the world. That's very correct. There are. Anyone else have anything to add that they heard or might have learned? Yes, Brett. Yes, there is an ocean called the Atlantic Ocean. Wow, that's amazing. I can see that we already know a little bit about the 5 oceans of the world. Now we're going to watch a short YouTube video about the 5 oceans. You'll complete a bubble chart during the video and write down each ocean and its size. I will pause the video to allow you to write the size and the name of the ocean. Let's begin our video. Good night, everyone here. All right, here we go.
Welcome to Viral Rocket channel.
First, let's get our bubble maps ready. Our bubble map should have the 5 oceans of the world in the middle of it. Then it should have 5 bubbles coming out so that we have each oceans that we're going to write about. I will give you a couple seconds to write this down. Now in each of these bubbles we're going to write what? Can anyone tell me? Yes, go ahead, Carly. Yes, we're going to write the name and the size of the ocean. So we're going to write the name and the size of each of these bubbles. Everyone have it down? Okay, let's begin the video.
Hello kids, how are you? Today we are going to learn about oceans. And
Tell me what an ocean is. What is an ocean? Yes, Mark. Yes, an ocean is a large sea. Yes. Yes. All right, let's begin.
Ocean is a large body of water.
So a large body of water.
Saline means salt water. 71% of Earth's surface is covered by oceans.
Wow, 71% of the water is oceans. Oh my goodness.
The Earth is divided into 5 different oceans. Let's learn the oceans one by one now. Pacific Ocean. The Pacific Ocean is the world's largest ocean.
Okay, so what is the world's largest ocean? Yes, George. Yes, the world's largest ocean is the Pacific Ocean. So our first bubble will be the Pacific Ocean. And what are we going to write underneath it? Yes, George. Yes, that it is the largest ocean. Okay, so our first bubble, Pacific Ocean. And we can write underneath that it is the first largest ocean. So your bubble should look like that. Pacific Ocean, and underneath it, the first largest ocean. Let's continue with the video.
Atlantic Ocean. Atlantic Ocean is the world's second largest ocean.
So what is the second largest ocean in the world? Yes, Nixie. Yes, Nixie. Atlantic Ocean is the second largest ocean. So in our bubble map, we're going to put Atlantic Ocean, and we're going to add that it is the second largest ocean. So Atlantic Ocean. And we're going to write the second largest ocean in our bubble. Your bubble should have Atlantic Ocean, and it is the second largest ocean. Give you a second to write it down. Okay, let's continue our video.
Indian Ocean. Indian Ocean is the world's third largest ocean.
So what is the third largest ocean? Can anyone tell me? Yes, Naomi. Yes, the third largest ocean is the Indian Ocean. So we are going to add that the Indian Ocean is the third largest ocean on our bubble map. So let us write Indian Ocean, the third largest ocean. Your bubble should look like this. Indian Ocean, and it is the third largest ocean. Let's continue with our video to find out what is the fourth largest ocean.
Southern Ocean. Southern Ocean is the world's newest and fourth largest ocean.
The Southern Ocean is, she said it was a new ocean. The Southern Ocean. Who can tell me what is the fourth largest ocean? Yes, Luke, the Southern Ocean. And the Southern Ocean also has another name. It is called the Antarctic Ocean, but we will be using the Southern Ocean for our bubble chart. Why do you think it is called the Southern Ocean? Can anyone think of why it might be called the Southern Ocean? Yes, Jacob. Yes, I liked how you used our cardinal directions map on the wall to see that the Southern Ocean was in the south, so that's why it would be called the Southern Ocean. I will add the Southern Ocean on our bubble chart, and we will write that it is the fourth largest ocean. So we will write Southern Ocean, and it is the fourth largest ocean. Your bubble chart should look like this: Southern Ocean and the fourth largest ocean on our map. Let's continue with our video.
Arctic Ocean. Arctic Ocean is the world's smallest ocean.
Oh, what is the smallest ocean in the world? Yes, Tyson. Yes, the smallest ocean in the world is the Arctic Ocean. We will add that to our bubble chart. It'll be our final bubble on our bubble chart. So we're at Arctic Ocean. And we'll write it is the fifth largest. You can also write it as the smallest ocean. So you can write Arctic Ocean, and you can write fifth largest ocean, or you can write it as the smallest ocean in the world. So now that we have completed our bubble chart, the video is going to review where each ocean is on the map. Then it's going to ask you questions, and I will pause the video so that we can answer the questions as a class. Are you ready? All right, let's begin.
Maybe learn one more time.
One more time. Let's learn one more time.
Pacific Ocean.
Here's the Pacific Ocean. The Atlantic Ocean. Remember we talked about South America yesterday. Here's the Indian Ocean. Southern Ocean.
Southern Ocean.
And the smallest, the Arctic Ocean.
Arctic Ocean.
Ready for your questions?
How many oceans are in the world?
Okay, how many oceans are in the world? Yes, Sam. Yes, Sam, there are 5 oceans in the world. All right, let's see our next question. Let's see if we got it right.
5.
5. We are so smart, students.
Can
Okay.
you please name those 5 oceans?
All right, I know we can all do this. Let's name the 5 oceans. Who can name our 5 oceans? Steve, go ahead. Yes, Steve. Pacific, Atlantic, Indian, Southern, and Arctic Oceans. Correct. Let's see if you are correct. Pacific,
Ocean,
Atlantic,
Ocean,
Indian,
Ocean,
Southern,
Ocean,
and Arctic.
Ocean.
We got it right. All right, next question.
Which is the first largest ocean?
Okay, what is the first largest ocean? John, go ahead. Yes, the first largest ocean is the Pacific Ocean. We were right. The Pacific Ocean is the first largest ocean.
Which is the second
What
largest
is
ocean?
the second largest ocean? Mark, go ahead and answer this one. Yes, Mark, the second largest ocean is the Atlantic Ocean.
Atlantic Ocean.
You got it correct, Mark. Good job, Mark.
Which is the third largest ocean?
Which is the third largest ocean? Sam. Yes, Sam, the Indian Ocean is the third largest ocean. Let's see, did Sam get it correct?
Indian
Sam got it
Ocean.
correct. It is the Indian Ocean.
Which is the newest and fourth largest ocean?
So what was the newest and the fourth largest ocean? It had another name, remember? Can anyone tell me? Yes, George? Yes, it was the Southern Ocean. Do you remember what the other name of it was? Yes, Antarctic Ocean, but we are going to use Southern Ocean for this activity. Let's see, was Sam correct?
Southern Ocean.
Southern Ocean, yes.
Which is the smallest ocean?
Oh, what is the smallest ocean? Yes, Michael. Yes, Michael, it is the Arctic Ocean. Let's see, did Michael get it correct? Michael got it correct. It is the Arctic Ocean. All right, now that we examined the 5 oceans around the world, we're going to complete a puzzle activity about the 5 different oceans. For this activity, you'll match the name of the ocean to the correct size and location on the map. There is a puzzle piece for the name of the ocean. There is a puzzle piece for the size of the ocean, which means that it'll be first, second, third, fourth, or fifth largest. There is also a puzzle piece with a political map on it with an arrow pointing to the ocean. You must match all the correct pairs to receive all the points. I will show you an example. Here is all the ocean puzzle pieces. Here is all the political map pieces with the arrows. And here is all of the puzzle pieces saying what the size of it. So you will have to match this piece, and these pieces to get all your points. You can use your bubble map to help you complete the puzzle activity. I will give you 10 minutes to cut and correctly match the puzzle pieces. At this time, I will walk around the room to monitor the students' progress on the activity. I will make sure that every student is on task completing the puzzle. The students would turn in the puzzle activity and come back to the carpet to receive a blank political map and directions for the activity. Okay, now that we know that there are 5 oceans in the world, we're going to independently label the 5 oceans on a blank political map. This is the blank political map that you will be receiving. You must label the 5 different oceans on this political map. Please write the name of the ocean and the correct location of the map. After you've labeled all of your oceans, you will list the oceans from largest to smallest. You will have 15 minutes to complete the map. You are completing the map independently and silently at your desk. You may start now. At this time, students will complete the map and turn it in. Students will come back to the carpet to discuss what they have learned today. This has been the lesson on Introduction to Maps. Thank you.